How to blur sensitive content on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to blur sensitive content on iPhone or iPad. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can now choose to receive warnings about photos or videos that may contain nudity before viewing them, as well as resources to help you make a safe choice. So to blur sensitive content on iPhone or iPad, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Scroll down until you see the option for privacy and security. Scroll down again and you will see the option for sensitive content warning. Tap on that. Now toggle on the button for sensitive content warning, and with this, every time you will receive any picture or videos on your iPhone, it will be blurred for security purposes and can be unblurred only when you allow. So this is how you can blur sensitive content on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.